Learn how to work with designers effectively. Find out how to hire, manage, and work with designers to get the best possible results. Learn how to give them the right assets, set up a brief, and offer an appropriate amount of compensation for their work. Discover the major communication mistakes that most managers or companies make and how to avoid them. Hi there, I'm Chris Barron, Adobe Certified Instructor and Entrepreneur. I've interviewed hundreds of designers for my mobile app design company over the course of 5 years, and I've hired dozens and dozens. I've worked with in-house designers and fully remote ones. From very complicated creative projects to simple user interfaces where the outcome is clear. Get the user to the end goal as fast as possible. I've made this course to help people find the right designers for their projects and have a great result. I'm an experienced designer and freelancer myself. I've taught over 250,000 students from all over the world, and I know their frustrations. I know the major pain points and how you can avoid all of that when running a design project. Start this course and get your design projects done fast without any headaches. I'll teach you everything you need to know to manage your design projects and avoid any issues. Let's get started.